Well. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday, day before NFP. It's a beautiful day to read price action, ain't it? We're still in this range. 4 hour, pretty ugly here. We're in this daily FEG. The midpoint of it. Keep tapping it. Really don't have high expectations today. I advise people to just trade Evals today. And I probably will do the same. How's everyone doing today? Good morning. Thank you, Cozy. Tanya, please come back with old setup. The old setup is like it's a webcam. This is a DSLR. And shittier lighting. I don't know. 10 a.m. news today, yes. I'll figure out optimal camera settings or whatever. Some people say I look like AI. Not AI, real. Daily FEG Bissy was lackluster, yeah. You miss seeing the TV in the back, he says. LOL. Let's go Mets. I think the TV in the back, I didn't even figure out how to turn that one on. I'm happy I turned on the one in the living room. This place came with 2 TVs. Thank you. Happy birthday, ICT student. Says happy birthday. It's not my birthday. I'm an Aries baby. I'm in April. My feed looks green. Just refresh the page, bro. Ask Patrick. He's good at that stuff. Yeah, he used to be like a videographer. I'm not setting up electronics is not my strong suit. Setting up TVs, cameras, lights, stereo systems, whatever. I'm gonna get a new stereo system for my record player. We have news we have open in 1 minute, but we have 10 a.m. news, so I'll make sure to mark that out. Pretty much outlined buy side, but it was a high resistance run higher yesterday. It was not really worth it. And I'm pretty happy I did decide correctly that the afternoon would not really be feasible for me to trade. We didn't really, we stayed within the morning's range essentially. So took some tiny sell side here and marked out, which was in that yesterday's 10 a.m. low or whatever. Look at this as just the hourly, right? These are not yummy candles to be trading in, right? Accumulation. To think about when is the best time to be involved in the marketplace? It's during distribution. And the day before NFP, it's not really. You have to think about when is the market sort of lopsided, right? You want to get involved when people are off, when it's not efficient. When people are offside, essentially. There's traps or manipulation, and then it heads into distribution. Right now, we're pretty much having accumulation to prepare for the 10 a.m. distribution. To me, it's like the first 1 minute of the day. It's doesn't even look like it, right? Really boring there. Okay. It's just funny. We can look at yesterday's daily candle as well. I'm sure it's tiny body, huge wicks. That's a hard candle. Yesterday, I didn't take a trade at all. I'm pretty happy about that. Right, so we'll see today, but again, I don't really have high expectations, so it's going to be good to just read price action. So excited my furniture is coming today. Like, so much furniture. I asked my buddy Jake, you guys, anyone here know Rake Trades? He lives in New York also. And because the other day, like, the handyman was weird, and also the people that were taking my couch away were a little strange. I was like, hey, can you just, like, come here? So I have another person in the room. It's in my home while the delivery people are here. So he's gonna come over too. Let's see. I need a members only sweet homes, or maybe. Tanya, focus on the trade. Let me know what trade you want me to do right now. It's 9:30 open before, and we have 10 a.m. news, bro. We have 10 a.m. news. And then also it's a day before NFP. Like, I'm pretty much, we're in the middle of the range. Have fun blowing your account in this, really. Nasty ass action. What we can do is mark out yesterday's high. We did sweep 930 low, and Q did sweep. Sweep all these lows? No, I left this one, the Asia one. Took London low and 930 low. So go ahead and mark out the high then. Yesterday's high. Is it a imbalance in a fair value gap? Probably on the 4 hour. But it's like a wick on the 4. We could just go to halfway of the wick. Staying below last week's low. Let me see, what's my sleep score? I feel a little sassy today. I don't think I slept well, actually. Yep. You guys are gonna get Savage Tanya today. The New Yorker will come out. We are currently respecting yesterday's wick by 50%. I don't care about this tiny wick. We have, I am still bearish overall. Like, why I didn't take any longs yesterday. I was like, yeah. It was short-lived anyway. Welcome, Shalamo, Mogopudi to the Bagel Buddies. That's what I want to say. I'll make sure I add, in case anyone gives a donation. Make sure that the donations go to charity. Okay. Great. Lovely. Okay. So, what we doing here? Like, what happened? What did we talk about yesterday? I mean, potentially goes back to 50% equilibrium. True. What's going on with the majors? Like, everything is green. Great. In regards to, like, FANG. And NASDAQ, and Key were flat on the day, so could pick up. Can I see without glasses? I have contacts on. You liked my podcast of Words of Wisdom. Thank you. Let's see here. I hope I imparted some wisdom on Words of Wisdom. Anyway. Can't be gone. Let's make sure everything is situated. High side, we did sweep some sell side. Again, we tapped into this 50%. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Open is a nice strong candle to the upside. Not Velma. I can't see without my glasses. That happens if I lose my glasses. And I'm not wearing contacts, but luckily for me, I bought like 5 pairs of glasses, so they're all over my apartment. If I lose the one I was wearing, which I often do, find the other one, I'll just put on the other one. One in my room, one in the bathroom, one in the living room. It's great. So, yeah, NQ is now plus 0.2%. I mean, looks decent for more upside. Looks decent for the buy side. See 10 a.m. news. Again, I do think like today is still a better day to do evals. So, letting everyone know. You know what's one thing that's difficult? Like the one drawback to futures trading, right? Talked to my friend about this the other day. It's a good thing and a bad thing, but is that you could take as many trades as you want. There's no like running out of cash settled funds like there is for trading stocks and options. There's no pattern day trader rule. So, that being said, you can take like 100 trades a day. You could go on tilt, easily blow it quickly. So you have to have some barriers in for yourself so you don't do that before you reach the point of no return, right? So I literally lock myself out of my trading platforms. I don't care. Some people are like, if you have to do that to like keep yourself disciplined, blah, blah, blah. Well, I don't care. It's my money, not yours. So, humans are not meant to be doing this. Yeah, people are inclined to keep trading. So, you gotta protect yourself. What was I gonna say? My friend that trades options, he literally takes his margin account where he has a large chunk of money, right? Whatever. He's not pattern. He has over 25K, right? Meaning that he can take as many trades as he wants on this account. When he's done for the day, he tells me he transfers that money to his cash account on TD Ameritrade. And apparently that takes only a few minutes between TD Ameritrade because he trades on Thinkorswim, right? And then what he does, because then there's a limit of how much you could do on a cash account when you buy that much for the day, you can't buy any more, right? So then he takes all the money and he buys like 2 weeks out options on SPY or whatever, and then like closes the trade. So then now he's out of buying power for the day. Like he does all of that to stop himself from overtrading. So don't be afraid. Just to stop risk of ruin, you know? I thought that was very interesting. If you have unlimited trades, bro, like why wouldn't you trade all day? It's so fun. You click the button, you see what happens. So first 15-minute day of the day, it's like just a strong break up to the upside after taking, yesterday's 10 a.m. low. It's tapping again to 50% of the BISI. I'm more inclined to think we're probably going to hit the buy side yesterday's high again. Am I going to find a trade to properly frame it? We'll find out. That's worth the risk. Find out. Yes. Also, we have 10 a.m. news. I do love some people literally, Patrick told me that someone asked in his chat, why didn't Tanya take a trade? Like, what? Like, why? That just shows you're trying to look for signals, bro. You're not going to make it. She's yapping. I'm fluent in Japanese, I know. That's why I'm a streamer. I look happier today because I'm just wearing brighter colors. Typically, I'm wearing like black. Tanya graduated with a degree in Yaponomics. True. Yapa Medical Engineering. Am I drunk today? I'm just in a good mood, bro. You're a crew. Well, thank you so much. I said I was more savage today. Am I drunk? That's amazing. You guys don't like it when I'm in a funny, goofy mood? My voice is so deep. Like men, high testosterone. That's amazing. Thank you so much. I'm on juice, everybody. Like these skinny arms. I'm on juice. Natty or juice? Right here. I love that, though. Love that. I just scared the shit out of you, Marin. That's funny. Why am I so happy today? I think you've really made it if people are starting to what was it? In one of my mutuals, huge Discord. They're just like yapping about me. That's how you know you made it. It's like people are speculating on things that are crazy. You never thought they'd speculate on. Kind of funny. Where is my boyfriend? Hang out with him right now on Q. My boyfriend paid me a visit last night. I don't have one. And in the world of hateful comments, here comes some love. You're amazing. I'm learning from you. Thank you, Tanya. You're welcome. Yeah, I think more upside is in the cards. So let's just focus on NQ here. I'm gonna trade out. Yeah, I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow for NFP. Probably do. I'll probably do a giveaway. Someone said NQ ain't her boyfriend because she calls NQ ugly on a regular basis. That's so funny. I do. I don't treat him well. That's the swing high on the 15. It did take that out. Did displace. I mean, yeah. You have 10 a.m. news. I mean, it could be an ugly like wick to the downside again for 10 a.m. Kind of like yesterday. NQ still pays the bills. Yeah. He is just a friend, haha. Yeah. It is kind of funny. If I call someone my friend, everyone's like, you friend zone them. Can't have friends. Don't you want to like be friends first anyway? You look dominant for NASDAQ. To trade NASDAQ, you gotta be dominant, you gotta be confident. It's an aggressive asset, you gotta be taming it. Right? She's crazy. Everyone calls NASDAQ a she though, so I don't know if I could really. Not even me. So I don't know, what's the leg that broke structure? This one, what about on the 15? I'm trying to figure out, yeah, I mean, this is a swing high to the swing low. It could retrace deeply into this, like, order block or whatever. Or it could just use this to go higher. We'll find out. I mean, on the 5, it's dipping back into this 5-minute FEG. It's looking quite good, but where it's closing, it's not. It's like indecision candle, so it can come back again deeper here. We have 10 a.m. news. Gotta be careful today, really. You know, ICT does advise. I don't really. This is like one of my least favorite days to trade. Day before NFP. 2024 people are giving indices a gender. I'm so sure that like they were doing this in the 80s too. Like people name their cars names and shit like that. Surprised Patrick hasn't given his like Lambo a name. No. Knew a guy that like had a blue Audi and he called her Azul. So yeah, some people name their cars, exactly. Lambo went for me. To give things time, people. I live in New York, there's no point. I live in a very walkable area, so enough for rent right now. But I do want to give my like dad a car. And that's a work in progress, right? I should be getting a good payout from my fund of futures once I'm eligible, as long as I don't mess it up, which I won't. Get him a Porsche. I think I'll get him like a Mercedes SUV or something. He's a big guy. My dad's a truck mechanic, so you know what's my biggest pet peeve? Maybe I should tell my chat this. One of my mutuals, he was like, "You should get him a Tesla. You should get a Tesla." My dad is a diesel mechanic, a truck mechanic. Please. There's no way I'm going to get him an electric car, nor will he accept that. And he's always talking about how, like, Teslas have issues, and then, like, whatever, they have to take them back. Dealership takes, like, 2 months. I don't know. So shut up about your Tesla. Yeah, and my dad's like, the whole thing, he's a truck mechanic, so you better believe I've heard every conspiracy theory. Conspiracy or not, whatever, some are more viable than others. But, hey, the government's like, track you or can turn the electricity off. Now what? There's been electricity problems many times. I mean, even I remember that like random snowstorm in Texas, right? Or something like that. The electricity went out there. And then what? You're fucked. Can't go anywhere. Tesla owners like getting plugged from the back. I'm a Cybertruck? Nah. Have you seen, I saw that video of a Cybertruck trying to pull a different truck like out of the mud and then literally just pulled the back of the truck straight off, the Cybertruck. And it was totaled. And then the whole thing about it, trying to chop people's fingers off. People are dumb to even do that. Like, leave it up to us, like I think it was Americans. Leave it up to Americans and just like men that have nothing better to do, really, to put their fingers under the trunk to see if it will chop their finger off. Like, okay, you're brave. I'll give you that. What was that? This is the 15. Give us more of your tinfoil side, please. I'm gonna be offending all the Tesla drivers in the chat. I don't care. Don't be so easily offended, people. It's just the internet. ES is a little weaker. Look at how there's no fair value gap at the first 15 minutes of the day. NQ is looking good. I do think like Nvidia could go back up to 110 for buy side. We spoke about how it's pretty good for NASDAQ to be catching up since all the major FANG names are up today. But right here's a 950 macro. So let's see here. Does the 950 macro, again, kind of like the other day, was it 2 days ago or yesterday? What day is today? Thursday. I think 2 days ago for 10 a.m. news, I did find something within the 950 to 1110 macro that was a trade, but I didn't want to hold it. I didn't want to enter with 10 a.m. news. So we'll see if there's anything here again. Yeah, much stronger NQ than ES here. This little 5-minute FEG just dipped straight up in the middle of it. Held it. The close was above it actually, and then the next one near the high. Let's see. Did it close above that one? Not really. So it could dilly-dally. So let's see here. If you think that this is going to be, which you could because it's such a strong close, and this is probably in the 950 macro. trade. See here. Excuse me. Let's see on the 1. What's ES look like? What kind of SMT is here? Ha! Let me check out FinViz real quick. Okay, NQ is just grinding up here. It didn't even dip into a 1 minute FEG, so quite interesting. See this 5. How's this going to close? Maybe it might come back into this area again. Right, this was the break. Actually, yeah, this was the breaker in that. So, yeah, I shouldn't really come back again in here. Let's try to frame some trade here. I mean, it would be cool if 10 a.m. kind of wicks into here and then goes up there. And just like on the 2 minute here. Let's see. Then what would that look like? If I take a position, it would probably be on an eval today, people. Yeah. Probably wouldn't want it to come back to, yeah, here. But like here, yeah. It's a large stop, honestly, but you'd probably have to take it like that. Like almost a 2R. Or you could just wait for it to retrace here, make an intermediate term low within this, and then again try another entry, like an order block or an inversion, which is probably the better move sometimes. Because, you know, NQ likes to wreck people. So let's see what happens at 10 a.m. We have high impact news here. So, are you ready for this? I'm having fun today. I'm having a good time today. Oh, it's just mooning. It's just mooning. What can I do if it just keeps going? Let's see here. So really the only entry was here, based on 5 minute. Oh, we'll see what happens. It's wicking it. Everybody, let's chase price. I'm just joking. Let's see ES. Oh. She's just running. Oh, we'll just have to be patient then, and then maybe find some reversal back to the downside if it takes buy side. I don't know. Or maybe we just don't find a trade, and because we're good kiddos and we're not trading day before NFP, we're just watching. Oh my gosh, 4,400 people here. Hit the like button. Welcome if you're new here. Welcome. Tomorrow we're gonna tomorrow we're gonna celebrate. I hit 75k subscribers. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And we'll be giving away some My Fun Futures accounts during NFP. It is kind of funny how I honestly do think, I want to say like almost every NFP I've done a giveaway. It's a service to those of you that blow your accounts. Giving back to the community. I will say though, I'm so happy that someone finally did tag me on Twitter that was a giveaway winner and they got a payout. So that's lit. Like, I made essentially you won $1,500 because, well, you put in the work yourself, but you didn't have to pay anything for it. No activation fee for My Fund of Futures. You're new here, welcome. Yeah, NVIDIA did leave triple equal high. What do you mean at 104? You mean 114 probably? Something. No. But I'm thinking NVIDIA is probably going to go for like 110.6. Never went for that buy side, like afternoon buy side from Tuesday. I don't know. Yeah. Welcome, people. Hola. You're new here. Isn't NFP we cannot recommend for new ICT people? Exactly, which is good that you're we're practicing patience. I haven't taken a trade yet this week, people. I'm so proud of myself because usually during these weeks, these are I've been trading for 4 years, like 2 years have been 2.5 now actually, because I started learning ICT like end of March 2022. And even like my lowest performing weeks are during NFP weeks. And typically like a lot of it happens because the beginning of the week where I get chopped up, and I've had some progress here this week where I didn't get chopped up and enticed into a low quality trade setup. So we didn't get that retracement at 10. We just sort of, flew up here. We're going for that buy side. We'll see if there's more buy. I mean, we'll see if we get up into equilibrium here. I do want to point that out there. 254. Like we had that huge drop that other day. What was it? Tuesday? Oh, is this also -1? Yeah, that looks decent. Equilibrium. Drop down. Right? So that actually lines up with -1 standard deviation of something here. Huh. No, I think I was just looking at this leg up. So it's not viable. Okay, let's measure from -2 does line up with equilibrium. We could get up there. I do see that there is more room for NVIDIA to go higher. Amazon's up 3%, NVIDIA's up 2.6%, Tesla's up 6% today. You see here. Yeah, Tesla's mooning. Towards 4-hour buy side. So we'll see if we can still frame some trades out. Which playlist should I start with to learn ICT concepts? Market Maker Primer series. Remember to put primer in there. And someone did message me the other day about like NQ, the OTE entry. And yeah, I do know that model. I know many models, but that doesn't mean like I want to take it every single model on my stream in front of people. And also I filter out what I want to do based on what I think the day is going to give me. So here we are. The buy side has been smashed, like random, right? We took out the sell side, then I'd say we'd go for buy side. Looks good. See if we end up going for more buy side here. This buy side and equilibrium of the range today. Or will we leave that, you know, for NFP? I think I'd be happy if we leave it. I'll be fine with that. So we didn't really take much sell side out. I mean, we took this actually at, right? We took that yesterday's 10 a.m. low. I think yesterday's like New York session low, essentially, and London low. Sort of we're leaving equal lows there for later, I do believe. I don't know if that's for today or later in the week. Tech is very, very strong, so let me see here today. What's today look like? Oh, we have 4,500 people watching. Hit the like button. If we see here. This is what the market looks like today. This is the S&P, right? ES. What's inside of it? The basket of stocks, right? So clearly NASDAQ is the leader. Tesla up. Well, this is a little delayed. Tesla's up probably like 6% now, right? Yeah, 6%. Apple's up 1.5. Nvidia's up 2.6. Microsoft up 0.69. Google's up 1.1, and Amazon is up 3%. Like, this is what I'm kind of looking at on Nvidia. I do think that we have more buy side here. I mean, we have this inversion we created. We can come back up in here, and we have this buy side. And yeah, I do have some indicators on stocks just because I go for these highs. So I do think there's more not in NQ. There's more gas in the tank, right? All right, let's see here. We're gonna hold this 1 minute fair value gap in a premium. You wonder, are people going to? We took some buy side. Like, it's not a bad idea. ES has catch up to do here. Didn't take that buy side yesterday's high yet. Like we looked at just now, NASDAQ is the leader. So if you're buying, it's better to buy NASDAQ, right? Essentially. Let's see here. Let's see here. And 12. Yeah, it's not a bad idea to try just a short for retracement. It's not really inverting or anything, or creating displacement below this though. The way it's not even inverting yet. The way it's doing is not really. Okay, now it is. Who knows? Maybe it just goes here. 15-minute. 15-minute looks like that. I have a BPR on the 2 essentially, right? It's coming into these bissies. I do think that this should probably hold it up though. This order block, mitigation block. I think that this is just a minor pullback. I don't know, so I'm not really going to try the short. I'll tape read it though. I'll tape read it. Let's see. They're coming into, yeah, I wouldn't try the short. It's not the structure to be shorting. You have this. Now the next swing is coming into essentially the discount of that swing. If anything, I'm more anticipating it to get bought up in here, like this 5-minute FEG. Let's see here. Oh, ES is weaker. Let's see. So this is more of a speed bump into a pullback. It's enough of a pullback, honestly. It's below 50%. So what would that look like if you're just going on the 5-minute, right? It would just look like this, essentially. New target. Equilibrium. It's not bad. It's not bad. Setup. Maybe we'll take that on an eval. Or maybe I'll just wait for an inversion here on the smaller time frame to get in longs and then use that as an intermediate term low. Could do that. Probably rather do that, actually, instead of having a very large stop like this. If you're taking a 5-minute trade, though, it's likely going to be a large stop like that, you know. And you then just size accordingly. But yeah, that's what I'd rather do now, is kind of just wait for pullback into, well, we got pullback into equilibrium of this, right? And then looking for a structure shift. The 1 minute or the 30-second, whatever it wants to do. It's the middle of the session, people. The middle of the session is 10:15. Little reminder there. So yeah, whoever's going short there on the 2 is in profit for a tiny bit. I'm just going to kind of think about that as if it comes back here and inverts it. You know, I probably would take a long. Like I said again, like people could be taking long soon here. On the 5. I'm just gonna wait. Because I could be wrong. And it could, you know, I'd rather just wait for a smaller time frame, shift back up again. Maybe I do take a trade today. But if I do, it'll be on smaller. I mean, it'll be on an eval the day before NFP. I don't want to be a bad example. I don't want to be a bad role model. So honestly, this is how it happened. Like I'm kind of thinking about if I were in short there, a lot of times what happens is like you're in profit for like a little bit and then it shoots back up and inverts and you're dead, right? So let's see if that happens. See if it comes back up here now. See some speed here, I guess, right? Like let's see it shoot back up above this high with a displacement. Probably look better on the 2. Like I said, I do think there's more buy side left. Yeah, let's watch this happen. See how it reacts here. It should be like a nice little displacement, hopefully inverting that. Maybe a nice little re-entry here. Then I just put my stop. Then I would just put my stop here. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Let's see it. There's 2 minutes left in this candle, so let's just be patient here, people. I say this also for myself. Let me make sure all my connections are good. Okay. Okay. Cool. It still remains within 50% of that, the lower half, then, then it'll look better for the bears. But like I said, I do think it's still, I think it's bullish. I wanted to see a displacement here. Let's see. 30 seconds left in this 2-minute candle. We're staying below. Stay patient here. What's going on here? And the other stocks of the world. Okay, Tesla's up 6.3. Tesla's making new highs. Nvidia's up 2%. Apple 1.5. Okay. Yeah, everything's green. Let's see another push for the NASDAQ. What would that look like? Let's say it inverts this. Yeah, I mean, that would be nice risk reward. Come on, bro. See some nice displacement. I'm getting ready to buy. We'll just buy the close of that candle. It's a nice one. Or this 1 minute. The 1 minute retracement. I'll just buy. I'll be able to buy that. Be fine. Bum bum bum. We'll see. Close above 30 seconds. See how this candle should close above, which means we should just get a nice little 1 minute FEG here. I would just buy some here and then I would buy again here if it retrace. Yeah. Because we might not retrace. So, time to get in about like 2 minutes. Right? Yep. I'm just going to buy that. My Evals. And then, really shouldn't come back below here. This is a low, and this is the thing that inverted, so my stop would be here, 49. It's not a signal service. I'm taking this on evaluations because it's a day before NFP. It's not really the best. But I'm looking for more buy-side people. See. Okay. Like I said, on evals here. Let's go for up here. Where are we at? So just by the top of the 2 minute, right? So put on the 2 minute. This stop is there. Yeah. What's this low? 48.75. Yep. Yeah, I really shouldn't come all the way here anyway, or even here. It's a large stop. That's why you just go on the, whatchamacallit. Just take smaller sizing, or you take eval accounts, whatever you want to do. My thing is, we still have a lot more buy side left on these stocks. You just go straight up to buy side now. So, what's this buy side I had marked out? Yeah, 234. Right, so I'm risking, yeah, it's like a 2-to-1 at least. So, it's decent. Right, 2.5. Yeah, it's looking very strong. We're already up, 30 points in 4 minutes. That's really nice. So, just gotta let it rip, essentially. Just hold it and let it rip, I guess. Like, look at the next 15-minute candle. This is pretty strong. We still have 5 minutes left, too. Yeah, I'd like it just to continue ripping. I don't really want it to retrace again here. And within that candle. Wouldn't make sense anyway. So let's just see it spool. It's spool time. Spool, where's the magic paintbrush? Just spool, thank you. Previous week lows here. Could potentially pause a little bit. I'm not going to really worry about it. Just draw more arrows, right? That's how we do it on this stream. I'm cognizant of the fact, though, that let me see, how much am I up right now? Okay, I'm fine. I think I'll be fine. Oh. I want it to spool, and we're just gonna watch the spool in motion, essentially. See it spool from here. Really, it should. What time is it? 10:26? Yeah. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Just draw more arrows. We have 3 from 3 different tools. Now it's bound to work. Didn't even retrace in this 30-second, which is wild. That's how strong it is. Yeah, it's going very nicely here. Up 41 points in very little time, right? Let it spool, let it spool, let it spool. Where is it? 234. Like, let it snow. let it spool, and then people are like, what does that mean? It just means like buy program is in effect. It should just you know, respect bullish P theories it's making. The only thing is, like, on the one here, we're just going straight up so it can make a retracement. Just chill about it, though. Just be chill about it. Should respect. We'll see on the 15 second. I mean, yeah. Spooling. How long are we in this trade right now? From here, 2, 4, 6, 8. What is this? 20, 28. It's not worth it for me to even consider that. See people. Cool as a cucumber. I'm just flipping through different time frames. I'm like, you know, it needs to make some order blocks. So I'm chilling about this retracement. It needs to make some order blocks, right? Let's see. It'd be funny if it just wicks up here again. Like there's mad GGs here. Will it be funny if I get stopped out? Yeah, but I'm chilling. Let price spool. We literally have to have some sort of retracement. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bang. $10.30. Or traced into this 2-minute, whatever. Holding up 50% of it. Holding up the upper half of it. So let's see if it just gets bought up here. Yep. Alright. Let's quickly get bought up, quickly make a new high. And then spool more. I'll put my stop there. And I'll be barely risking anything. Boom, boom, boom. All the people that were waiting to get long here got filled. The dilly-dallies here, I'd probably be a little bit worried. So let's see. Bada bing, bada boom. See here how this 2-minute candle closes. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold this. Still in profit. See here. Should just chill, honestly. If you have a 5-minute FEG, we could dip back again into. Chillin'. Alright. Order block here too. Where do 3 PD arrays fail is the question, right? Created so many FEGs. Yes, you didn't even hit buy side yet. Catch up already, bro. Let's see here. From here to here. Even this is a 5-minute entry, yeah. I get stopped and whatever, but I think this is still good for more upside. What time is it? 10:30? Okay. 6 minutes in that trade from here. 10:20. Now it's 10:32. Back to around break even / small profit. But I did take the early entry in case it just goes up straight, right? So I'm just chilling. I keep saying that. I'm just chilling. Take things seriously, even if it's eval in a sense. Let's see here. It's the 5-minute. Should really have a good reaction here. Otherwise I'll be in for some trouble, essentially. See, hold the upper half of this. So where the 5-minute people are coming in. All in all, like, at the end of each minute candle, I'm still in a good position. So I'm not worried at all, actually. Okay. That's decent. That's a nice little close here. Our next candle should just go up, honestly. Otherwise, I might get stopped. I shouldn't hang around too much here. But it is the day before NFP Friday, so you know how that goes. Yeah, we're fine. BPR is here. Didn't want to do it right away for me. Call customer support. See here. How are these other? Yeah, the other companies are looking really good, so I'm chilling. What am I doing right now? Yeah. Like sort of would have another screen, right? Most boring shit ever, bro. It's how long it's gonna take here, really. 15-minute. Yeah, close within it. That makes sense that we're now hanging in again. So boring. Inside candle. Let's go higher from here. 8 minutes left. Yeah, I want this candle to end green, ideally, obviously. And the next one to go higher. If we're gonna follow bullish order flow. We're gonna just chill here, then whatever. But you can literally see, like, my position. I've been not bad, not bad. I might turn around randomly, but I think it's a good position. Bada bing, bada boom. And if once we close above this, then I'd move my stop here. / I would probably take a partial and then, yeah, put stop higher. See, bro, you got like 2 minutes left in here. 7 minutes left in that candle. Ideally, I want this candle close green and then continue higher. So, wake up. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. Not chop. I don't want market to chop, actually. I want to expand, expand, expand. Fluent in yapology today. Japanese, I mean. Studied yapology in college. Alright, bro, you want to end as an indecision candle, you're boring. It's fine. The next one will be, we'll take care of it. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bam. Yeah, all the people. Nah, I'm not saying anything. Wow, this is so boring. Oh my god. It's okay, trading is boring. Trading is boring. Everyone is reporting on my positions. It's every Discord right now. And every live streamer. They say you're in longs. Yeah, I am. Oh, can you not, like, end like a stupid candle? Literally in break even, like, for 5-10 minutes now. Which is fine. That's fine. I'm not in drawdown. It's good. And this is actually the retracement if I had waited, so I'm chilling. But do I have the patience of a I don't know. I don't know what the metaphor would be right now. Oof, that's not looking good here. Let's see. Should have just expanded there. But whatever, if you want to take out that low, again, go higher. Now would be the time. I'm staying patient, really. I'm staying very patient. Tanya, Tanya, da, da, da. Bro, that's not looking good anymore, honestly. A 15-minute candle on the inside bar. Just really, really testing my patience here. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? How long have I been in this trades now? Since like freaking 10-12, right? 10-20. 21 minutes? That's funny. Staying in the trade, I don't care. Still, as long as it's holding above this 50% of this 5 minute. Just took some liquidity into this order block, whatever. Wants to take its sweet time, if it wants to expand during 1050 macro, so be it. I don't care. I'm in the position. Valid. It's still valid. Oh my god, bro. It's so boring. Finally. Alright, let's see some expansion after you took like a low, like little liquidity sweep into an order block. Let's see. You're gonna get market structure shift on the smaller time frame and more expansion. Let's see. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Conversion on the 15-second, you guys. Conversion on the 15-second fair value gap. It would be kind of funny if that works out, actually. I mean, that would be pretty... I mean, it would be great. Literally be following everything to the T. Comes back again. If it closes below here, you know, people are going to be in trouble. See here. See that expansion. Board. As I'm like down 3 points, right? So it's not a bad trade. See here. Oh, not really. It's very messy. Very messy. Very messy. How long am I going to be in this trade for? I mean, yeah, this is indicative of day before NFP. See if this works out, though. I want to see. What's going to happen? Bada bing, bada boom. Honestly, I shouldn't be hanging around now for this long, but actually, it's fine. Let me think here. I don't see any bearishness, really. I don't see a reason for bearishness, so holding. Holding till the bitter end here. See. That closed below 50%. That's gross, so I'm probably going to get stopped out now. Do I take the stop out early? No, it's an eval, so. See. It's up. Now I'm down. Now I'm down. Won't call 911. Bro, you're ugly AF, NQ. I mean, it's my fault, I guess. No, it didn't work out. The longs didn't work out. Yeah. C'est la vie. No matter, it's just too many. They're watching my stream, everybody. It didn't work out. Oh well. On to the next trade. On to the next. On to the next trade. Now what? I don't know. Really nothing. Don't want to get chopped. I mean, do you think we're going to go down to sell, all the way down to sell side? Yes, you ugly. No, I'd rather just wait. See at the 1050 macro. Maybe we can make it up. First trade in the week on an eval, thankfully, so that's good. But I still take things seriously. You gotta take it seriously. We had this, like, honestly, this bar. Let's see, did it take that out the sell side yet? No. Did it take it out for NQ? I mean, ES, yeah. Got some sell side here. Now what is it going to do? Is it going to go for that all the way down here to 930 low? Where's the midnight open? How sad we didn't go up higher. Yeah. Maybe they're saving it. Let's see here. I know people, the true people that are taking the inversion, they're taking some partials there and whatever, stop breaking. I don't care. I don't care. Hanging around too long. Now what are we gonna do? I don't know. Don't know. So I just wait. Humbled by the market, which is a good thing. Humbled. L. It is a good thing. Shout out, honestly, shout out to me. Okay, so we're down $600 on Evals. Let's figure out if we can possibly find a winning trade today. I'm not in a rush though, that's a bad mindset to have, but let's see. We took out, we made a breaker. Bearish breaker. There's no way I'm shorting straight up into this though. It's way too wide of a range, and also this could be a thing where it takes out that sell side, then inverts it again. Bada bing, bada boom. Didn't spool for me. You're doing ES, you're gonna hit low day now. Love that buy side. Just in the middle of the range now. NQ, we're back here. Still looking better than ES. Continue watching. 1050 macro, let's see. I think this is really the last line in the sand for that. For the bulls, I would say. Invert this, then it's gonna look garbage. See this 2-minute candle close, we invert this and probably goes lower. Whew. Last line in the sand, how's this candle going to close? Holding for now. Alright, let's see if that's the low. Looking at a lower time frame now. Board, 15 seconds. Let's see. There's no market structure shifts even here yet. Let's see. Where's ES doing here? Really nothing. Bum 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 bum. Well, still consolidating, I guess, in this area, accumulating. I am still looking for longs. It has to give me the setup for it. Sorry, people. I'm just not bearish right now. Not too bearish before NFP. I don't know. I feel like they would leave those equal lows for NFP. Maybe I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, then I'll find some other entry. It's not a big deal. Let's see. This 2 minute. We're gonna invert this. I'm gonna stay here. Ugly. Broke my heart. 15 minute. See, let me check my text. Anything crazy going on in the chat? Fernando, what's going on? Ooh, my couch delivery is on the way. What's cool is Crate and Barrel sends a tracker. Like, you can see where the truck is. Oh shit, they're like here. They're about to be here. I guess I had hubris up here. I did. Okay. What do I do, guys? I don't want to end the stream. The phone, that's the phone. Bro, are we gonna... Why is it doing that to me? We're gonna see a... I don't know, it's tough because there's sibbies above, but... Hey. There's no displacements there. 1 second. Alright, yeah, well, there's no displacements even on this lower time frame higher, and it's not really, so I think we're just probably going to end up in the range, and I do have to go now, everybody. So we took an L here on our one trade that we tried out. I mean, longs worked for like 10 minutes, yeah, but I don't know. I won 130 points, so I didn't really partial at 40. My stop's 47. I don't want to take it. So, especially on evals. So, I do think we're probably going to chop around here for the rest of the day. It just doesn't look... Yeah, it's not giving me the action I wanted to see. So, just going to take the L on the chin, down 600 in evals. And that's why we kind of gotta stay safe, but... Disappointing nonetheless, but that being said, I will be here tomorrow for NFP, and we'll be doing some giveaways. All in all, stay safe, don't be a degenerate. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the stream. I think it was pretty entertaining at least. And I'll see you back here tomorrow, 9:15. Love you. Bye.